Did you ever wonder how one of the most groundbreaking animations came to life? Well, it all started in the humble GW studio, where a dedicated animator named Henry Peterson was wrapping up his work on a project called Double Danger. Picture this, it's July 8th, 1921. Henry Peterson, feeling a sense of accomplishment, puts down his pencil, finally done with his animation. But before he can celebrate, in walks George Sell, the studio owner, with a stern expression on his face. "Henry Peterson, your animation is bad. We will never publish it," George Sell declares, his voice echoing in the quiet studio. "Why?" Henry Peterson stammers, caught off guard by the harsh critique. "Leave, Henry. Your father, William Peterson, is busy with your sick mother, Helen. She's fighting the red TB. George Sell retorts, his voice a mix of frustration and concern. "Okay, sir," Henry Peterson replies, his voice barely above a whisper. He collects his belongings and exits the studio, leaving behind his labor of love, Double Danger. "Goodbye, Henry Peterson," George Sell murmurs, watching as the young animator disappears into the night. Shift the scene to later that night. Walter Frank, a well-known researcher, is hunched over a pile of files. Victor Bell, his assistant, walks into the room. "Victor, are you done with the files?" Walter Frank asks, not taking his eyes off his work. "Yes, Walter. Charles and Sam are waiting in the lab now," Victor Bell responds, knowing the importance of their research. And so, the story of Double Danger, one of the most influential animations of all time, begins. A tale of rejection, perseverance, and ultimately, triumph. This animation, dismissed initially, would later revolutionize the animation industry, proving that sometimes a second look can reveal a hidden masterpiece.